Today, let's turn an ordinary dollar bill into an amazingly beautiful sailboat. Ready? Steady. Let's fold. First, grab a dollar bill and fold it to the far letter O in one. Next, fold the side over, creating a square.
What are you doing this time?
I'm giving instructions on how to make a sailboat from a dollar bill, if that's okay with you.
Why do you even bother? Nobody watches your tutorials anyway.
Oh, you're just jealous because I'm a better paper folder than you.
Nonsense. I taught you everything you know.
Are we going to do this again? The last time we argued, a YouTube viewer said that he wouldn't watch or recommend this channel to anyone.
Yes, and if I recall, that video received over 5,000 views.
That's right. Was it a video or a short?
What difference does it make?
I never thought of it that way.
Now fold the corner to the center crease, and do the same on the opposite corner.
Next, make the sails by
folding in the sides like this.
Do you mind?
I wouldn't mind if you shut it.
Well, why don't you just?
What? Why don't I just what?
I'll tell you after the video.
Good. Now where were we?
The sails are almost made. We just need to tuck one of them into the paper, like so. Fold down, up again and tuck inside, like this.
Finally fold the bottom upwards to make a stand for your dollar sailboat.
Done.
Fancy schmancy.
Ready to sail away, Schnookums?
Yes, my honey hamster. Did you bring the sandwiches?
Yes, and a case of good old American beer.
Perfect. Thanks for watching.
And let us know if you want to hear more arguing during our tutorials.
They're great fun.
They really are.
Shut it.
Okay.